What's that horse doing out front?
Oh, my! We're taking off!
No, no, no!
I hit the Martin's house!
You gotta be kidding me!
Vamos, caballito, hoy vas a ver lo que es un verdadero jinete. ¡Te dejó ciego, bollo! ¡Por malhora!
Hey there, buddy. I think you're a little lost.